Good morning, children. Have a great day. Children, today we'll continue the same chapter, chapter 14. And today we will discuss about biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. About biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Okay. Some kinds of waste are biodegradable. Which are biodegradable? This means they will rot and mix with the soil. The waste, those are mixed with the soil, are called the biodegradable. All food waste, leaves, grass, flowers, paper and pencil savings are biodegradable. Other kinds of waste are non-biodegradable. They will not rot, means they will not mix with the soil. These include plastics, metal and glasses. Okay children, so there are two types of waste, biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. The two kinds of waste need different kinds of treatment. Okay. Biodegradable waste can be used to help the environment. If you have a garden, make a compost heap to dispose of garbage. Dig a deep pit and fill it with the biodegradable waste. Cover it with soil and let the biodegradable waste rot for a few months. The garbage will decay in the pit. It can then be used as manure to make the soil better. Okay, so what to do? We should not throw the waste here and there. We have to dig a pit and we throw all this garbage there. Okay. Animal dung can be sprayed on the soil. In villages, animal dung is also used to make what? Gobar gas. The gas is used as fuel in homes. Okay. Old paper can be sold for recycling. Sometimes kabadiwala are coming and they are taking old papers. Okay. Using waste to make new things is called recycling. Okay. Recycled paper is called made from paper. The used paper is cut up, made white and made into clean new sheets. If we recycle paper, we will not cut down so many trees. It also means there will be less waste lying around. That's why recycling is necessary. Okay, a lot of non-biodegradable waste can be reused or recycled. Glass bottles and jars can be used again, which will less our waste also. Metal cans and broken bottles can be melted down to make new one. So we will sometimes find the waste collector or the kabadiwala coming to house to buy old newspaper, cans, tins and other things. Kabadiwala coming to our home and they are taking different type of waste. Okay, we are giving them waste things, sell them these items or just give them away as someone can use the old can and bottle. So we should give all the waste things, these things to the kabadiwala. Okay, but there are some things which do not rot, like the plastic and the glasses. There do not rot, they can stay for a long time. Okay, so this will just go to the garbage dump. That's why you have to take some steps to dispose them. Okay, how can we help to our environment? Okay, we have to save our environment. So what type of steps we should take? Stop plant and animal life from being destroyed. Plant more trees, they help to clean the air. So we should plant more and more trees which can clean the air and save the animal and plant life also. Travel short distance on foot or on a bicycle and save fuel. Okay, do not waste anything. We should mend them and reuse them. Give away things you do not need. This way, factory will have to make fewer of these things. This will reduce the pollution caused by the factories. Okay. So, we should not throw anything. So, first of all, those things we can reuse, then we can use them again. Okay. Then, children, whenever we go to the market, we should take our cloth bag. So, take your bag, carry a cloth bag when you go shopping. Do not take a plastic bag from the shop. We should not ask a plastic bag. Okay. Reuse your bags. Avoid buying food in plastic bags or boxes.